So the NBA is finally back. Opening day today. And tell me how I didn't even know opening day was today until yesterday, bro. I'm actually been the busiest I've ever been in my life. Obviously, y'all know. I don't even know if I missed one NBA game last year. Gonna be very different this year. I'm gonna be missing a lot of games. Literally going on vacation in like 2 weeks too. So not gonna be able to upload too much then. At least the reaction videos. So yeah, this year's gonna be a little different where I'm not reacting to every game like usual, but I'll still be here for the important games and the best games and the games I want to watch. So all my predictions and all that's going to be dropping in the next 2 weeks, I would say. Top 35 players. Don't know, I usually do it before the season, but the season came by so fast around this season that I didn't get a chance to before. So expect NBA videos these coming weeks of, top 35 players in the league going into the season. And predictions for awards, playoffs, all that good stuff. Record predictions. So get ready for all of it. I'm going to be dropping it, getting to work on it very soon. So, yeah, Knicks to start off versus the defending champions Celtics. Could that Celtics do it again, bro? That's right, bro. Drew Holiday, Devontae Adams, and Gunna all remind of each other easily. Bad. Okay? Tatum. See what Tatum does, man. This year. So no Porzingis in this game. Is he out for a minute? Al Horford starting. Okay. So obviously the new look Knicks with Cat. They're already out of the game. Tatum. Come here. Damn. Knicks already without Mitchell Robinson. And they didn't even have Cat that long too, bro. McBride, dude. Okay.
One member of that puzzle is missing. It's Kristaps Porzingis. He is slated to return in December.
Tatum. In December, bro? So Porzingis might be out for a minute. Tatum. Oh my gosh, Tatum. Okay, Tatum. That's when you want to shoot like this. Good play. Okay. Holiday. He's crazy, man. 20-point game, Knicks. What's going on, Knicks? Cat's ass. Yeah, I don't know about that fan. I like Cat too. Pritchard, their dude. Yes, sir. It's a new season. So I know we got the Lakers Timberwolves today too, by the way. So we'll obviously watch that.
From the Brooklyn Nets. Before that, the Phoenix Suns, where he was a vital piece of that team.
Cat, hey, turn around. Big turnaround. Drew. Damn. Okay, how many threes they got? Jaylen Brown, do something, finally. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Deuce. Okay. Shoot in a minute. Oh my gosh, Brunson? Damn. Okay.
No, not when your two best players feel slighted. We've seen teams get their rings, hoist the banner, and struggle inside Sims. I'll include the bench in this as well.
Told you I didn't like Josh Hart starting, bro. I told you I didn't like Josh Hart starting, bro. You know? I don't know what happened to Mikal Bridges' release, but okay. Tatum. Okay, Tatum. MVP season.
2 seconds to fire. Towns muscling his way in.
72 first half points, maybe more. 74. 74. Okay. Mismatch. How do you let that happen? Oh my goodness. Bridges.
37-4 in this building, right? So everyone had
Tatum.
to come through here.
Since when? Yo, can I turn this off? What's going on? Boring ass game. Damn, surprised that shit didn't get water. I ain't gonna lie.
Celtics.
White.
In the corner, it's White. Times the crowd.
Sheesh, automatic.
Opening night.
He's with this shot that came. Damn.
And the ring.
Nice.
The gorgeous ground three.
Damn.
The three. Hauser is there. And Jericho Sims. Hudson again. Plies his way in the paint. Tatum. Shot clock at 6. Bridges there. Screen is set. Into White. Screen roll.
Be White.
To come after us, we've got to come out and put a statement on them.
Bridges
Wiggles
on it.
in, works on Cordano with 6. Boston last year
Tatum.
won 4 of the 5 against the Knicks.
Tatum. Yeah, I'm about to get out of here. There's no point of being here. Wow. Knicks is embarrassing. Opening night.
With Tibbs.
Opening night Knicks. Yeah, Knicks are frauds.
The